How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege PS5 and PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege PS5 and PC. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what this is. Rainbow Six Siege is an online tactical shooter video game developed by Ubisoft and published by Ubisoft. Now, if you want to crossplay in such a way that one is playing on the PC and the other individual is playing on PS5, then let's see if that is possible. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for how to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege PS5 and PC. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on this particular link. Now, as you can read here, Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay between PC and Luna or between PlayStation and Xbox consoles. And users cannot crossplay between PS5 and PC. So as of now, crossplaying in Rainbow Six Siege between PS5 and PC is unavailable. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.